As we are celebrating Youth Month this month, not only are we focusing on youth development, but we're also focusing on diversity and enablement.
Our programs aim to create sustainable youth empowerment.
This program has given me an opportunity to see what the working world is like.
The minute you get inside, you walk inside the office space, that's when you start learning.
What excites me about being in this program is being able to learn from people who are already in the field.
It impacted my life and career in terms of I graduated May 3rd of this year, and I also got a job, so my career life has really improved.
I am most excited about the opportunity to learn from experienced professionals and to work on meaningful projects.
The best part about the project was I had the ability to move across departments, and moving in those departments, I'm learning as I go along.
I would thank Liquid to giving me the opportunity as an intern, and today I can say that through the work culture that Liquid provides, I've actually grown personally and professionally.
I think it's helped me see that my goals are actually attainable. Liquid really does do a good job at ensuring that the people that are supporting us as mentors are plugged into what the industry needs.
The beauty of this has been the surroundings and the support that comes with it. Even though you are in the deep end, there's always someone to lend out a helping hand, someone willing to support you, and someone to go the extra mile.
To me, it was more of career growth.
My experience in the program has exposed me to different areas within the field, which has helped me refine my career goals. It has also allowed me to get out of my comfort zone and build my confidence in the workspace.
I can say Liquid has been the best place for me to grow my career as a data engineer.
I liked how Liquid's Yes program held us accountable.
I know that at the end of the program, I would have grasped a whole lot of skills in so many departments.
I feel very privileged to be part of this program. It has provided me with the opportunity to get work experience and exposure.
That's definitely given me insight into what the industry is like and the sort of role I could have.
As a growing and evolving company, it's critical that we create this pipeline of digital skills that we will use over and over in the company, while supporting the communities in which we operate.
You know, at Liquid, we believe in this digitally connected future that leaves no African behind, and our investment into our youth development programs is a true testimony to that.